air conditioner is leaking all over the basement here. At first I saw my pump was full, so I figured, oh, the pump's failing. It's all full of goo and whatnot. Then I noticed this over here. You could see it's all coming out from under the condenser, so it's actually, this hose is blocked up right here. It had like a little kink in it, and then it built up some sort of chunky stuff. So we're just gonna take we got a pencil there, we'll take something a little longer and shove it up in there, clean it out, see what we can find over here. Here we go, we got a nice wire pusher thing. That'll work. Oh, look at that water just pouring out of there. Pouring out of there. Just bowl so we don't leak much more out. Just shove that guy right up in there. There we go. Oh, there we go. That's going now. Oh boy. Yeah. Now the pump's pumping. I don't know why we got such goo in there. Almost looks like there's some sort of creature died in there. Look at that goo. Huh. Some of this. Oh, our pump is failing now too. You can see the water coming up to the top. It's pumping, but I'm thinking this hose is now shot too. There you go, water flowing out of there. It goes down pretty quick now. Alright, I think we're good now. Actually, kind of rigged it here. I kind of like to put a different end on here. You can see, I mean, the air conditioner really produces a lot of condensation. It's really just constantly flows. Well, you can see that. Pretty dirty too. Still dripping out of there, but I'm thinking that's just left over because it flooded so much. But anyway, something to keep an eye on. Especially, I'm in the basement, doesn't really matter too much, but if you were in a more of a finished area, it wouldn't be good. So I'll keep an eye on it, but still don't quite know what the hell that was inside there. It seems kind of weird. Anybody knows what this disgusting stuff is? Like maybe a leaf or something, I don't know. What the hell's going on in there? And it kind of smells like meat. I'm starting to think a mouse or something died in there. That'd be pretty nasty. I don't know. Anybody who knows what that stuff is? Comment below.
So I talked to one AC guy, HVAC guy, and he said that they actually call it liver or something, but I guess it's from the air filter. So you get a better air filter, you won't get it. But on top of it, you just kind of got to check this drain line every once in a while. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Have fun. Thanks so much.